Welcome back to What's Happening Now. This series is so full of juicy nuggets and totally topics that we need to incorporate in our own lives. And this week, I want to talk about Aretha Franklin. As you may know, her sons are fighting over her estate. She had a will dated 2010 handwritten will, we'll call that a holographic will, and then she did one later, I think in 2014. So she has a 2010 handwritten will and then a 2014 handwritten will. And when you look at those two wills, there are some inconsistencies with it. And therefore, for the last 4 to 5 years, her sons have been battling about who gets what in the will. In one will, it gives one the mansion that's worth about 1.2 mil. In the other one, it's saying, oh, you don't get anything unless you graduate from business school. Just think about it. But regardless of what it is, I don't think Miss Aretha, Queen of Soul, thought that her children would still be fighting 5 years later. If that's not a reason for you to make sure that you get a qualified, competent attorney to draft your will, then nothing would have encouraged you to get it done. In her situation, she has 2 handwritten wills. It appears that they were both relatively decent wills. However, one did not make the other one void. It did not say, okay, this will trumps the other will. It's just 2 wills. And so as attorneys in a situation like that, we're going to look at it and we're going to say, okay, is this a codicil? Meaning, is it an addition to that will? Or is it the will that replaces the 2010 will? And that's the decision that the court will have to answer, whether it's a codicil that just changes it or adds to it, or whether the 2010 will still is in effect, still is active, still dictates what needs to be done in this current case. And this is a telling tale for all of us. Make sure that you have your will. Make sure it's properly executed. Make sure you have your 2 witnesses. And if you live in the great state of Texas, make sure that you have the self-authentication clause so that your will be done. My name is Megan Trowick, lead estate planning attorney here at the law office of Bryan Fagan, where we like to learn from other people's mistakes, and we will not repeat them. Thank you. Hi, so you are enjoying the Bryan Fagan Family Law YouTube channel. Well, you are in luck. We have now launched a brand new YouTube channel that is totally dedicated to estate planning, probate, and guardianship. If you want to hear more and if you want to see more videos, click on the link in the description below and come on over to enjoy total estate planning, probate, and guardianship content. Thank you.